Hey everyone, it's Andrew. So this is going to be a 3-month follow-up on the Samsung CJ791 Ultrawide monitor, which is this monitor behind me. I've had this for about 3 months. I absolutely love it. The fact that it's curved, it's widescreen, 34 inches, it's great. It does have the Thunderbolt 3 capability, so I use it as a docking station, so I can essentially just plug my laptop, my M1 MacBook Pro, directly into this with a Thunderbolt cable and plug it into here. Simultaneously, it automatically loads up using the Keychron K4 keyboard, as well as this mouse here. I also have the Quintus monitor light bar, and then as well as the PreSonus Air's 3.5 speakers. So everything is working great as far as the whole system, connectability and like those sorts of things. The MacBook connects immediately, it functions appropriately, there's no problems there. The reason why I'm doing this video though is after 3 months there is an issue with the screen that I did want to mention to those of you on YouTube that have previously followed my videos, because this is new and it's something that I'm probably going to have to send the monitor back to Samsung for repair or replacement. And so what I'll do in this video is just show you that. You won't be able to see it on here, so I'll have to get a close-up view, but essentially on this corner here, there is an edge of light that shows up randomly on the screen. If I press it down, it's like the adhesive for the screen to keep it to the frame is loose there, and so the screen elevates itself up, and then you can see like a piece of light there. I'll get a close-up view of it, but essentially if I push it down, it'll go away briefly, but then it recurs and comes back. And so 2 days ago I reached out to Samsung. This monitor does come with a 1-year warranty, so it still lies within that warranty, and in the process what I have to do is essentially send it back to Samsung, to their service facility, and then have them evaluate it for either repair or replacement. So I reached out to Samsung. They sent me essentially shipping label through UPS, and they told me to physically bring it to the UPS store with both the monitor, the stand, as well as the power cable, and then send it to them and have them evaluate it, and then they would send it back in 5 to 7 days. So prior to me doing that, I wanted to just make a video, just because in the upcoming weeks I'll be sending that back, and I wanted to do a follow-up video afterwards to see whether, one, they replace it, or if they repair it, and how the repair goes. Beyond this kind of like mechanical issue there, I really don't have any other complaints about the monitor. It's great, it is affordable, but this is an issue that has arisen within the first 3 months of having it, which I think is a big deal as far as manufacturing and the quality control. What I'm going to do now is just bring the camera closer so that you can see exactly what I'm referring to, and so you have a general idea, and we'll go from there. Okay, so here's the screen in its entirety. What I'm going to do is actually turn off the lights so you can see it more easily. It's going to be hard during the day, but we'll zoom in and kind of slide the camera over to this corner here. And I might have to get a little bit closer. Bear with me if the camera gets out of focus. But kind of along this edge here, I'll close the blinds a little bit more and make it darker. Here along this edge, right there, there's a piece of light that shines through. So it's like the screen lifts up and has issues. Sorry, my camera kind of focuses wrong. But it's right there along this edge right here. So that's the issue. If I press it down, it'll go away, but it'll kind of, so it's gone now, but it'll pop back up and kind of come back over time. And it's literally, you can tell it's the screen lifting there. So I'll send it out to Samsung. I'll give feedback on this when it comes back. Hopefully they can repair it, if not replace it, and then we'll go from there. But in general, I do like the monitor a lot. It's just this mechanical or manufacturing issue is a problem, especially within the first 3 months for a monitor this expensive. So hopefully they can fix it and kind of get this sorted out. If you can just like and subscribe my video, I really appreciate it. If you have any questions about the monitor, I'll be happy to answer them. Please refer to my other videos. I have gone in detail about like connecting it, unboxing it, and things like that. But thanks for watching.